Hi, I'm Yogesh Kale, Executive Director, Nangia Andersen LLP, Pune. While Bharat has proven its mettle in the service sector, particularly information technology and information technology enabled services, it is the time to focus on manufacturing sector for overall development of the economy, as there lies a huge growth potential in it for us. Mindful of this, the government has been taking some commendable steps in this direction, including the Make in India initiative. While these initiatives have started bearing the fruits, a more robust boost is still required, and tax incentives are among the factors that act as a good impetus for growth and investment. The manufacturing sector in India has been having a good deal of expectations from the Union Budget in the recent years. In the manufacturing space, automobiles and auto components are the biggest strengths of Bharat, and the auto sector, particularly the EV sector, is looking forward to some announcements expectantly in the upcoming budget. These expectations include a new subsidy scheme similar to FAME 2 with a more comprehensive coverage than the earlier scheme, streamlining policies towards R&D efforts in battery technology and grid integration for development of a widespread and reliable charging infrastructure, and focus on localization of manufacturing of semiconductor chips. Further, the electronics industry also seeks duty rationalization and incentives to compete with China and Vietnam, which currently have a much lower and simplified input duty structure. Reducing the duties on components of mobile phone parts or sub-assemblies will help in attracting global value chains to India, which will in turn ensure competitiveness. The pharma sector in India also looks forward to reduction in basics custom duty on imported raw materials for making antibiotics from existing 7.5% to at least 5%, and enhanced tax incentives for companies to invest in research and development. Another initiative that would help the manufacturing sector in general is cancelling the proposed removal of IGST exemption from mover regulations. The expectations that have been looming on the direct tax firmament include extending the concessional tax regime for new manufacturing companies, direct tax incentives to boost EV and renewable energy sector, enhanced deduction for research and development expenditure, and revisiting and reframing the newly inserted Clause H in Section 43B of the Income Tax Act, which has already started leading to unintended consequences instead of yielding to the intention with which it was inserted.